Hello, I just want to show a short preview of how to use stemning to create a series of photos based on a primary photo. So in this case, you sign up with a Google account, and once you do that, you will receive one free credit. You drag in a photo you want to have processed and press the Let's Go button. It will upload the photo, and after uploading it will actually do some analysis on the photo, figuring out what is it about, so we can optimize the generated prompts for each of the photo. It also just gives a little bit of nice grouping, and in this case it figures out the name and a description of the photo, so you can have that if you have many photos in your gallery. But because we have one free credit, what I can do is I can go down and pick one specific style I like. For example, I can say, how would this look if it was on a tropical paradise island? And while that is generating, I will show that we can also add our own key. So if you go to the settings and press the Use My Own API key, you can paste in your Gemini key or your XAI key if you want to use some of the Grok Imagine models, and then press Save Settings. We do support both the Nano Banana Pro and also the Nano Banana 2. I feel the Nano Banana Pro is a little bit nicer to look at, so that is the default style. Now let's go back to our photos and see how it actually generated this version of a tropical island. You see the original photo, and then you can switch to the generated photo, and it seems like it needs to generate a preview for this one, so we will just wait 1 second for it to happen. And now it's done, and as you can see, it looks pretty nice. But what's interesting is that you now can use one of the packs we have. For example, if you want to have all the seasons of the year, you can press the generate pack, and now it will go and generate for this season all 4 styles. And again, it will take a little bit of time, so we'll just pause the video and then we'll get back once all these 4 have been created. And now it's done generating all the season photos, and as you can see, the original photo looked like this. It was a summer photo, and if you go through the generated photos, you see the winter photo where you have some snow, and you can have the autumn one, which obviously have some pumpkins, because why not? And then you have the summer, which, looking at the original, is quite close, and it should be quite close. And then finally the spring edition, where I have some flowers just popping. So just a short rundown on what you can do with stemning. It's completely free. If you don't want to use your own key, you can also purchase credits. Thank you.